Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add Twitch chat to OBS. So let's go to the browser. Now log into your Twitch account. Okay, so here's your Twitch account. After login you have to click on this icon, profile icon, then go click on channel. Then just scroll down and you will find chat option, this one. Click on this. Then you have to click on this icon, chat settings. Okay, after clicking on this you will see chat settings. Then you have to click on pop out chat, this one. Okay, now you can see a window here and you can see your channel's link. You have to just copy this link by double clicking this, copy, cross this, and now go back to OBS. Let's go OBS. Okay, here's my OBS studio. So after opening OBS, go docs. Then you can see here custom browser docs. Click on this. Enter your doc name. Okay, now here you have to paste that URL, your Twitch URL. Okay, now you have to click on this, just apply. Okay, after clicking apply, you can see it's taking some time or some seconds. Hold on. Okay, it's already added your stream chat. Okay, so guys, this is how you can add your team chat or a Twitch chat in OBS Studio. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.